Hello all, I wanted to do a quick video today on replacing the fuel filter, the in-tank fuel filter on your KTM EXC-F, 500 EXC-F, probably the 3 and lower as well for the 2017 to 2019s I think is the range. They come with these cheap filters in them. You can pick these up on Amazon for a lot cheaper than the OEM packs. The OEM packs cost about $70. And you can pick up one of these, brand new one, exact same filter, for about $7. Problem with these is they're cheap. They break. I've had them snap open while riding, and a sign of that is you lose all power when you try and rev it. You can do low RPMs fine, but high RPMs it just bottoms out on you. So today, instead of picking up one of these, which you can find a link to one on Amazon for $7 if you want to stick with this route, I'm going to go with this. This is a reusable filter. I'll post a link to it. It's nice and strong. It is actually technically better than these ones. These ones do about 40 micron filtering. This one does 30 with the same amount of flow, if not more flow. You can also unscrew the top here. It's a wire mesh filling that you can then clean out, so it's reusable. I recommend, if you are going to stick with these, to replace them, if not seasonally, like if not every couple months, seasonally. This one's got about 2 months of riding on it. It's already filthy. It does not look very good. Alright, let's get to installing this new filter I got. First step, I'm going to take these little O-rings. These came with this package. These little guys come with the package. Or you can buy them on Amazon with the tool that you need to crimp them. It's relatively cheap, easy to do. Slide one on there. Slide one on here. Then you just slide it in. You'll notice there's a direction on all of them on which way they flow. So we're going to put that facing towards the pump. And as you can see, it fits pretty much the same size. It is slightly bigger, but not by much. Slide this one over. Take the crimper and crimp it down. It's pretty good on there. You don't need to crimp it so you cut it, so don't. It's about hand tightening is good enough. This side. Alright, now you can use these classic ones. I don't recommend them at all. They have sharp edges. They'll wear on your fuel pump piping and electronics over time and could cause you more issues.